Hey, what's up everyone? I wanted to hop on here, do a quick video about my Brute 32-gallon recycling bin that I actually got it to replace my no-name kind of off-brand recycling bin that clearly didn't hold up outside in the elements for a year. So this obviously, after this can being outside and it got cracked, it got brittle. I'm up in the Northeast, it gets really cold. I felt like it was really just time to spend the money and get the name brand. And this is clearly a much superior garbage can. I've actually had the trash version, the black version, for a while, actually longer than this one. And as you can see, that one there's actually fared very well. This has been multiple years outside in the sun and in the cold. Everything here is still very pliable, as opposed to this one. Obviously, this one's just cracking left and right. It's gotten very brittle. This one will actually be the same fate. Now, I actually got the 32-gallon because this is actually the largest that my trash man allows, and then it just makes it really, really easy when, I actually got two of them. So, if I have parties or I have a lot of boxes, or, as you can see, I have a lot of stuff that gets delivered, the cans make it real easy, and you're not just kind of piling stuff over. You have plenty of capacity for anything that I might have to recycle. But either way, should keep its shape. It's definitely a superior can to that one, but this for sure, I do recommend if you're gonna in the market for a new recycling bin, get one that is going to stand the test of time. And again, I'm happy with the way this one's molded. It's not too heavy, and I expect it to last for a very long time. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.